What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, hopefully I pray that everything goes smooth today. Well, tonight, because it is dark outside over there. Oh no, see, with my good ass camera, it looks kind of light outside, but it's actually dark. Today is the day that I possibly might be getting an Fd2 front end for Akira, bro. I am so excited. I didn't really do much today. Oh, also, look at that. Akira's on the quick jacks, baby. I took off the fender liner that I had because in order to even run the Fd2 front end, you can't even use the fender liner from an 8th gen Civic Si or 8th gen Civic period. You have to run the Fd2 fender liner from the Japanese model of the Civic. But any hoosers, right now I'm removing the front end because in order for me to get the front end, I gotta give him my front end plus cash on top. I just bought these headlights. Baby girl bought them for me. And I literally just threw away my old ones. I would have given my old one and keep these. I'm gonna feel bad about it because it's like, damn man, my girl was so excited to buy me headlights. But she's gonna be even more excited, I hope, because she actually is going half with me on purchasing this front end. Like, she brought, like, it was just like, man, it's just so beautiful. I was like, babe, look, Fd2 front end. And she's like, oh, let's get it. I'll go half with you. That could be your Valentine's Day gift. So, you know, I gotta get her like a ring or something. Yeah, y'all know what's going on, bro. Like, your girl helps buy you car parts. You're gonna have to go above and beyond to, like, do something. But, man, yeah, I'm just stoked right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting all this stuff taken off, and then we should be golden, son. I got the entire front end off, bro. Look at this. Everything is off. Got the front end all out. Got the bonnet. Got the headlights, rear bumpers removed. So hopefully this guy actually sells me the rear bumper that I need. He said bring it just in case. I don't know, bro. Dealing with Miami people is absolutely worse, bro. It's the worst thing ever. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. The homie pulled up. Yeah, we official. Got to strap it down all on here. Oh Lord. My dog Chris got me loaded up, you heard? Yeah, y'all need some transport. Hey, link on the screen. Well, not, you know, link, you know what I mean. Down in the description box, my dog, go all over. You feel me? Everywhere. That's the slogan. Everywhere. Hey bro, can you go here? I go everywhere. That's it. So we're all good there. Everything's secured. Now we gotta make this hour and 30-minute hike. After like damn near 60 hours of rerouting and directions, I finally have the right address, bro. Hate dealing with Miami people, bruh. Absolutely hate it. He said he's outside. I don't see shit. Where is my Fd2 front at, bruh? All right, so we're back home and look at the Fd2 stuff. So this is actually not an OEM kit. This is a replica front bumper, the depot headlights. I believe these are OEM fenders, but if those two are a rep, I'm just gonna go ahead and on a whim and say this is all an OEM replica stuff, which is perfect for me because I don't want to spend like $7 grand for the real deal stuff. It's just if I plan on this being a track car, because then I would just be hurting and shit. So got the lights right there. Got the fender brackets. So I think the bonnet is somewhere inside the garage, but everything is here. We're gonna start putting on this stuff maybe tomorrow. It's kind of dark right now. Shout out to that dude in blue, random little thing. The goal would be to start putting on the stuff tomorrow in the morning time. Put the Civic outside, start doing everything outside. Like the most logical thing, because I don't have great lighting in my garage, and I don't want to like just make the install of all this stuff like garbage. So we'll do all the install stuff tomorrow. Right now I'm probably take some pictures or something, and I don't know, just vibe. You know the vibes. So it is the next day. We got some sunlight. I'm just gonna install the front end in the garage because it does make no sense to put on all the wheels and stuff like that. So we're gonna install the front end today. I feel like I'm missing something from the front end, like the brackets for that the bumper clips into. So that's very unfortunate. So yeah. That's the problem with the replica stuff, man. I'm gonna start ahead going put the fenders on, and then from the fenders, maybe the bumper, the headlight, and then that, and then I put the wheels back on. Everything will be back on, and then we'll just drive it outside, and I can shoot some cinematics and give you guys like an overall review not overall review, but like the finished product, I guess. You know what I mean? The icing on the turd.
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach, niggas gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about nothing.
Alright. Okay, so I'm working getting the headlight on, and this is what happens when you, oh my lord, look at my lens, baby boo. What the? This is what happens when you don't buy from like, this is just what happens when you buy used. Well, in my case, when I did, it was the best deal I could have got. But the brackets for the thing that bolt up and everything is all broken. Everything is broken. This tab right here where I could secure the two 10mm, broken. The tab over here that goes into the fender, trash. But that'll stay as long as I bolt that down with the headlight bracket. The only thing that sucks about, I'm gonna have to end up getting new headlights regardless, but it's no big deal. But that sucks because I can't bolt it up front. So the front end is going on, but it just sucks that I cannot bolt it up because I'm gonna need new headlights. I think the homie Vic Wavy got some, so I might gotta end up buying them off him. But yeah, so the goal with this front end anyway is to get, I'm gonna get a new bumper because this is just, it's clapped. But the goal is to have the Fd2 front end on now so I can have a peace of mind that I already have it, because suppliers everywhere, wherever you want an OEM or replica, you're looking at like months of wait time, like super duper months of wait time, and I want to get the ball rolling, and I know you got to be patient for things, but I've been waiting for this Fd2 front end since I got this car. I was gonna buy a rep kit, they just stopped selling it because I guess suppliers not getting the stuff from overseas, all the price hikes going up. To buy a replica front end is upwards of $2,000. The Canadian CSX front end, I'm not a fan of it. I don't like the bumpers. It's just basically an HNSI just with the Fd2 headlights. You don't get the wider fenders, you don't get none of that, so you can run wider wheels. I just don't like the Fd1 front end. I don't care what lip kit you put on it, the Modulo front lip kit, I don't care. I don't like it. So I wanted the Fd2 front. I could have had a chance to buy the homie Fern's Fd1, but the homie Yen got that. I'm not a fan of the Fd1 front end. So picking up this Fd2 front end, I was happy because I got it. I can now piece together everything I want later down the road. I can just chill with this front end now, and then when I get my money right and stuff like that, when I have finances to buy stuff, I'll buy like a new bumper, or well, it won't be OEM because I ain't crashing that shit into a wall and be crying that I spent $1,000 to, nope, not happening. So I'll buy a replica front bumper, probably some depot headlights, I don't care. The fenders are in good shape, so I don't have to worry about buying fenders, so thank God for that, and they're way more wider than the standard. So in case you're wondering how much I bought all this stuff for, because I know that's what people like to care about, how much money you spent, bro? I spent $1,500 plus my stock front end for this front end. So did I get ripped? Most likely, 100%, but am I happy with my purchase? Yeah, I finally got Fd2 front end. All in all, let me just button all this stuff up and then we can put it out in the sun and see how she looks. But last night I was up to like 2 o'clock in the morning looking at like Jay's Racing diffuser. Oh, bruh. Any F2 parts that you guys got for sale, let your boy know. So I have some very unfortunate news. This bumper is not going on this car without the brackets at all. And I gotta figure out what attaches up here. Am I missing a grill piece or something? Because there has to be something that goes here, because when I put the bumper on here, nothing is going as planned. It doesn't make sense to me, because when the guy sent me a picture of the front end, everything was on perfect, unless he gave me wrong brackets. But I can't even do anything with this headlight because there's no tabs on it. So unfortunately, I f***ed myself. I basically spent $1,500 on a hood and fenders. Headlights are toast. Bumper is it can work. There's a lot of janky shit going on with it, but yeah, this is not it, brother. Look at this, bro. This is homemade, son. Homemade. I didn't do that. That's how I came. I want to get all this shit new. Well, the headlights are icy. It's just the tabs are broken. I can clean that up right there. That's nothing. But the headlights are actually, these are actually Fd1 headlights, and they're icy. But it just sucks that I can't utilize what I spent my money on. But it happens, man. It happens. I gotta, you know, charge it to the game, baby. I knew better because I was buying it in Miami. Bro, if you in South Florida, you don't buy shit in Miami. Nothing. Wouldn't give a damn if it was free. Don't know. Shit probably stolen. Why somebody gonna watch the video like, yo, that's my front end, bro. My car went missing like 3 weeks ago up in Naples. That's my shit, bro. I don't know, bro. So this is how she's gonna sit for like a week or so. I went ahead and ordered new headlights with brackets, headlights with headlight brackets, fender brackets. I pretty much bought everything I need in order to secure the front end to the car. And then next up, we're gonna be getting the fitment on point because I don't like this gap right here. I think the fender has to just bow out a little bit more so it can be aligned. It's like up here, just gotta bow out a little bit so I can follow the body line nice. I don't like that part. But I think on this side it's actually pretty decent. Yeah, it's more decent on this side than the other side, but I got a lot of fitment issues I gotta fix on this thing. But you know, for just mocking it up for today, I'll do everything else once I get all this tape and stuff off. I got, you know what I mean, not that that's stopping me from mocking it up perfect, but yeah, this is how she's gonna stay for now. I ordered the tail light socket bulb for the turn signals, which is, I have nothing right there, or I think, yeah, there, turn signals in there. And I have nothing for that, or maybe it's over here. I don't know, one of them shits is turn signals. And I don't have the socket, so I ordered that. I got everything on order. My credit card is crying, but hey, man, I gotta get this shit done. Front bumper's in the garage. But yeah, this is how she sits. I'm just glad that at least it was white. Obviously, I gotta paint the whole entire car. This gotta get painted and washed because this thing is dirty as hell. I'll put my hand on it. Dirty. Gotta get that washed. But yeah, this is she. This is she. So that is the end of the video. I finally have the Fd2 front end. Shout out to my baby boo right here for giving me a sweet Valentine's Day gift. Oh, she's so sweet, y'all. Like I said earlier, y'all know I'm gonna have to end up buying a ring or something. Y'all know how this works. Fellas, y'all know how this goes, bro. So I ended up having to spend additional $500 for new headlights with brackets, fender brackets, bulb sockets. We are in the year of making big bank, in the year of y'all buying merch. Oh yeah, I know. I know you be buying other people merch. I know. Look, I know. I be seeing y'all shirts with all the, yeah, I know. You gonna buy Zosh merch right now. You gonna click on this video and go buy a hat, or some shorts, or a shirt, or something. A motorsport banner. Huh? Yeah. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm very excited about the front end, even though it was what happened. It is what it is. I'm just happy that I got it. I have pretty much everything I need now besides a rear bumper. Oh! Like I stated, if any of you guys have an Fd2 rear bumper out there, I'll be gladly to take it off your hands for free $99. Thanks. So I'm selling my old V3 shifter from Hybrid. If you guys want it, let me know. DM me on Instagram, $250 shipped. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy, leave a dislike on the video. I love you, but I don't give a fuck. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out.